Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check if your email has been compromised or not. The first and most recommended method to check if your email has been compromised is to use the website Have I Been Pawned. Just go to Google and search pawned, P-W-N-E-D. Now open first website, which is haveibeenpawned.com. Now in search bar type your email. I'm typing in my email. Now click on pawned. Once you have entered your email address, the website will check its database and notify you if your email has been part of any data breaches. In the event that your email has been compromised, the website will show you the details of the breach, including the date it occurred, the type of information that was compromised, and which company was responsible. In my case, there was 3 breaches. The company responsible for it was Dubsmash, Gemini, and Void 2. It's important to note that even if your email has been compromised, it doesn't mean that your personal information has been compromised as well. However, it's always better to be safe than sorry, and you should take steps to secure your account, such as changing your password. And that's it for today's video on how to check if your email has been compromised. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and secure online. Thank you.